Manever I say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there, or see them yopo. That's it live on Accra 100.5 Citizen Show. One Ransford Chatsman Vani Amwa, a former boss secretary to Komenda Sugar Factory, so or put some few things into you, right? Yes, sir. Akwaba.
Yeah, Akwaba.
Mpacho, acquire that form.
Oh, Daniel, sorry. Hey, my quick reaction. Asoma, about the Komenda Sugar Factory under John Mahama and Alan Chamatin. In 2016, John Dramani Mahama, commissioned Komenda Sugar Factory. What we did was test run. And we did series of test runs between 30th of May to July 30th. We had that test run, and a very successful test run. Everything was set. Our test run was okay. And we, Mark say, it's a call a commercial production. Test run, a situation you produce, you farm by German, so and the tongue, I cannot say commercial. Into the air, you test sugar in the air, and be successful. And after the time, you hand it over a Komenda Sugar Factory, I'm a lunch Martin, or caretaker minister and Akuffo Addo before 7 January. Now, bags of sugar, and 83 bags of white sugar, 224 bags of brown sugar, and a scrapy sugar, 23. Molasses na molasses tank. Now, sir, some mini say under John Mahama factory anye jumano. Factory sabutia fidia share fidifofobia wia also ote akwemu and sawa be commercial production. Na sir obekaya embra sa test run. Now there were other civil works na na also civil works by November 2016. So that February the following year 2017 na started a commercial production. And that's what I say. And now aban sesa buy. In aban sesa na buy no so before na enam se Komenda Sugar Factory. Adia Jumedia de share and Japadia de Jaon factory na bibia complete in terms of the machinery, any building no bibia yayewi. And the second part, the agro part, ashidia yebediano. Now loan wa ekoji and first loan, $35 million from India Exim Bank, NADC factory no. Second loan $24.54 million from the same Exim Bank of India. Now, $24.54 million from the Exim Bank no. I was a year ready by February 2017. And now say be ready 2017 February no. You develop 125 acre nursery plantation. I should defer nursery 125 acres. A factory nankasa so ye I was a plantation no transplant because they say I was say or transplant it onto a larger scale. And it's 125 and also cover 10,000 acres of land. That 10,000 acres of land, the land was also available. And I was say start transplanting starting from February 2017. Oral Martin, Minister of Trade and Industry, and now say, not only ready say Obama Sugar Factory a year Jumanintino. Oja Sanchi saying to Sika 24.54 million noa. I also here ready by February 2017. Or say, as I say, Intinam no Kasa Sika no Omonji Sika no free India Exim Bank. A honor no me de Jashe de CD factory no. What I say. And now Oral Chamatin July 2018 July. I should be now a 125 acres in the Sunaya factory mediano. Oral Chamatin Echa should be na a Toma Apeteshi, the sellers. I was central and western region.
How?
Okay, me say Oral Alan Chamatin, Kojo Chamatin, 2 years ago. I issued a statement and exposed him on that. So Bekaya, Ministry of Trade is also the response by say me say wakoton asase 125 acres. Wa bra men kan asase asem. Me say eye ahwede. Almost 13 class on be few me. Up to now, so I'll shoot to my of which I am still waiting. Say Alan Chamatin Beka me say 2018. One ton ahwede am distillers of Apeteshi. And my first to be crowd I have for mem your friend of Mem Cashew and Agriculture Products Limited. Omoye brandy. I'm say cashew brandy. Sa company na friend Mem Cashew and Agriculture Products Limited no. Almost the trailers ebe chin ashide wo Komenda Sugar Factory farms na ye 125 acres no. E san say owura lanchamatin aton sa ashide na mo. Nti omo be fa koy so omo so ekodia sa ashide no. Na omo use ashide and they produce alcohol because you can get molasses from a sugar cane. So that would mean their brand need a different brand because also Jamaica rum near there, they are sugar. All right. All right. Now, our company now make an AOB company. So, I have said it on countless occasions. Just last week, I was also on one of the networks, a TV station, and I mentioned the company. So, for the past 3-4 years, my book company so Alan Chamatin's interest was not to run the Komenda Sugar Factory, but rather to enhance the business of importers because some factory importers now almost should be a business.
All right. Okay.
So they were in bed with these people. That is why they were trying not to let this factory run. Now last year, almost on my test run. July, August, on my test run, President Echo Komenda on the 3rd of September. Eke catch one say, Sisi and Bibia Dana Kwemu. Now, almost be commission factory no in the grand style by the end of 2022. Sir, Boshena President question and no Komenda 3rd September no. It do 1 year chum. Sir, grand style opening no. And by you, near said at 31st December, Star Commission and also Basso, and somebody has a gas to come and sit in your studio to say, Alan Chamatin Berane, a Komenda Sugar Factory, you produce BB. Well, any interest.
All right.
Okay. Or say, I should get the man, no petition, a man call for and no Bruno. Now we can say and say,
okay. All right. Hello. Hello.
Defeated in their election.
Hello.
Because he had no plan.
Hello. Please. Engagement here. Yeah, okay, so thank you for the clarification. Yeah, that's not or clarification, but quick one answer na be kono. Also see what person obusa asemansa no akọ.
Ombisa.
Amu amechao.
Mejo so minia.
Me wo se I am opposition when this. Me person me wo also ra Alan Chamatin. Also ton sugar sugar cane me boy.
I should be 125 acres.
Oton say, over club boy oton.
Because ready somewhere and plant.
Hello, Amwa oton say.
I know they could be no.
Hey, now one but radio swa.
Listen,
he who alleges what about radio swab making a categorical statement. So oral and Chamatin sugar cane. Nya what company did. And I'm saying what on the boy say it shouldn't be too hard.
Okay, so
what on say? When an and trust I'm drunk getting away. And I expose you. So perceive debate here. Near debate to see and when your position where this is one. Near con that level. What on say?
I'm now question now
person one. What on say?
Okay, so
answer me.
Was it called the Kubusano?
Minkobusano.
What ya busa companies? What say companies wunya no offer?
Na me maka to say me bubama na obeso ma no. Wo ma me time to say na bubama. When you obi na ba and obi make a category.
No, but the point is it true say what tower now on toy.
Anytime me challenge say e bo say no toy. Oto say or I am challenging when say who did throw or rather Chamatin to sugar cane biamobia. Now if we say otoya oton say come on of what the water.
All right.
Thank you. I think
I told
already And throw nobody here.
All right, thank you. So
yeah, to me, so some trust. This is a big platform.
Live on Accra 100.5 Citizen Show. Time with Solomon Usu on Alan Chematin. Alan Chematin say you're better than Ka. And Ghanaians are still waiting to hear from him. Yes. Now, baby, say also say 69 years.
68.
68.
Yes.
Yeah,
quite.
And 68 there. Yeah. You nim se kakra na aka no besa de aba street ni mama nkola na gia.
Kakra be na aka. Kakra be na aka.
Ni nim de kakra na aka.
Na se Ghana se sia omo elidi wonu kwa na kire ni trimupo. Ne vision wo. Obi enu a wa kire vision.
Na make say ni nim de aka.
Ghana nya no.
Kakra na aka no.
Again also the brother boy. Fantastic. But no.
You are celebrate Iwa.
Yeah,
a very interesting conversation there, and
well, I don't really know what is interesting about this conversation, unfortunately. But he was sounding more like Baumia. I didn't even see any difference in what he was talking about.
Okay,
I mean, unfortunately, Inka make omutimu, especially in communication. Inka advice I made more money say at this time what they need is public sympathy. Kakra. Just a little sympathy on the side of Alan Chemantin. But in trying to get a public sympathy, if you come with a posture like this, you rather anger the little sympathy public in the war, Edema Alan Chemantin, in line with how Akuffo Addo and the MPP have treated Alan Chemantin. But the bottom line is, well, I mean, you're very clear, say, Yempu, Alan Chemantin, a political career has come to an end. That one, there's no two ways about it.
I believe so.
Yes, the political career has come to an end. It is not the shouting, the coming up to say things, no never create anything. Truthfully, maybe it's not see a meeting, you know. Now, in fact, maybe I'm not produce something. But at a point, you know, I felt like Membra inside, I remember showing because he really sounded like Baumia. It's like just lying with some boldness and a bit of arrogance and all that. You can't Alan Chemantin achievement, truly speaking. You are here saying Alan Chemantin, it is all your president, only the best to do away with NDC and MPP. Comparing even Alan Chemantin above, and I'm not even comparing, but placing Alan Chemantin above His Excellency John Mahama. I mean, on what ground? Like, seriously, on what ground do you even do this? Truth is, what's the hanmo? Na Alan Chemantin who dero. Na you beside the achievement of Alan Chemantin. Na wow, Casa Alan Chemantin has set up 120 something factories. One aoka. Now out of 120, we didn't find say 120 impo. And then put 100. 100 near Cassie, but just 5 out of 100. Now to two papas now went to me. It means that one casa or casa, you don't even have, you are not even convinced about only Pakwa who can ask them. And truly speaking, it is just an issue, say clearly on Wemuno, on what he's talking about. Under Alan Chemantin as the economic money. In fact, forgive me, say I'm going further into this because I thought say this is not an issue to even talk about. But forgive me to talk about. Under Alan Chemantin as a minister of trade. What significant thing did he do? It is under Alan Chemantin. Say, look, commerce is one key thing in every economy, is stabilizing the currency. Despite the fact, say, as for Baumia, there he needs not be talked about because under your loss or your hopeless case, he's out of it. But yeah, can't Alan Chemantin in terms of commerce, trade. What kind of trade need take place under Alan Chemantin as a trade minister? It will stabilize the city. At a point, we were even begging, basically, and we were even begging and saying, say, we don't even have hard currency in the system anymore. There's no dollars in the system anymore. It's a reflection of how poorly we were doing as far as trade was concerned. At one given point in time, publicly, clear, say, investors were fleeing. They were moving out of this country. Yeah, now we are aware of that. Under Alan Chemantin, what institutions and structures were put in place to ensure, say, the investors, they were going to have a good and a smooth environment to operate in? Pamno Chamno. Look, this Komenda factory Asema Yekika Kanyadi. It's a fact. Say Alanche Martin even decided to sell this whole how do we call it sugar cane off. And that's an act of incompetence. But I think he's just, I mean, in a nutshell, he's just a reflection of Baumia. I think that he should rather join Baumia's team. But
Baumia, what to say?
Confident trickster. And that is exactly what I saw in this guy. Like, knowing very well Sasama Miki and Yenokre. And so may come with some energy and with some enthusiasm. And that is exactly what Baumia is. And Baumia is a confident trickster. Meaning the story of a confident trickster. Or that, but the demeanor, the structure, ni posture, no. Ebe mo ajinidi. Why nim sa asema okin? Onwa nim sa asema okin enye no kre. Look, there are so many instances as Ami Rebecca about me, Rebecca Chewa. There are so many instances as about me do fear catch and you say, me cry mo asa asema me ko kan crofo boji ejeme so.
Really?
Because Onwemu, he doesn't believe in what he says. And that's exactly what the guy, Mosi Okasama Alan, or Betina Hanum, that's the same thing he did. He's just a reflection of Baumia. I think he should be a spokesperson for Baumia.
I'll be back.
Komenda PENDREAM TV ase. Now, so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.
My never I say PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there, I see them yopo.